Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So you need to just follow my screen, don't miss any steps, and we will fix this issue together. First of all, right click on the start icon from the desktop and click on settings. Once we are here, we need to click on these three lines and just go for privacy and security option. Once we are here, we need to click on general option from the Windows permissions and just turn off all these options, and again go back to the privacy and security. Again go for speech, turn off this option, go back, and also from the permissions you can just turn off for example microphone, turn off these all options, or you can turn on this, it doesn't matter. So close this window, then you can just press Windows key plus R key together to open run, then type here temp and click on OK. And in this folder you will get the multiple files and folder. You need to just select all these files and folder and simply delete them all. Once done, close this window and then press again go for run. Just press Windows key plus R key, then type here %temp% and click on OK. Once we are here, you need to select all these files and folders, right click on them and click on delete. As you can see, all the files and folders are deleted. Now close this window and simply restart the system. You can also check out our pin command, that will help you a lot and quickly to fix this issue. That's it guys, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.